January 20th, 2017, Big Bear Lake, California. It's an absolute blizzard. An absolute blizzard. And that CD has, oh fuck. You need to watch the road, you bastard. I'm talking to myself. You know what? I'm gonna listen to this. Hopefully this one doesn't skip. It looks pretty bad. It looks pretty farking bad, man. Is this what's? Oh, he's just putting his chains on. Okay. Cool. Oh shit! Watch out, buddy. Here comes Nick. Stomping through the desert. All right. Dude, this is truly insane. I'm looking at the phone every now and again, and I'm telling you, it looks the exact same for me out there. It's not that my windshield's blurred or anything. Like, it's crazy, dude. Oh fuck. Hey, welcome to Fawnskin, people! Wait till you see how windy it is when we get to the dam. Oh my gosh, it's insane.